Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert numbered list in WPS Office. So if you want to do it, first you need to click on this one icon with the numbered list settings, and then you need to select the style that you want to use. So for example, I will use this one style. I click on it, and then number 1 will be successfully inserted here. So you can type here, for example, orange, and if we want to add another number, we need to press enter. And then we need to type here another text, for example, apple. Then I press enter and I type here, for example, grapes. Okay, so in this way we have successfully created numbered list. Of course, you can always try to edit the style of this list. For example, I select it and I go to this settings. And for example, I will change the style to this one. And how you see, it has been successfully changed. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.